Hi guys, come with me to get my hair done. The appointment is at 12 and I don't want to have my lunch just yet, so I'm gonna bring that with me. My wallet. And I'm also gonna bring hand cream with me. My hands get dry. Don't ask me why. Hey, that rhymed. In here, and we need to go. Otherwise, we're gonna be late because we need to drive like 20 minutes to the place. So, let's go.
Miss you, I'll spend forever with. Don't think I must have forgot. I don't want you to think I must have forgot. Oh.
How will you order for a dress of 600,000 naira to attend somebody's traditional marriage that is not even your daughter's? Come on, don't for my double now.
B. Hey, Mama. One B more.
I wouldn't have to watch you leave me. Malaika akishuka mbinguni akasema tuna dhambi.
What do we think, guys? I like it. Also do this type of hairstyle with this in the front, but you can also get like this and have like, you know, like a pony tail situation going on in the back.